Hello, my name is Jamie from Crewe SEAT and CUPRA Crewe, and today I'll be taking you around this used vehicle.
We are delighted to be able to offer you this Fiat 500 TwinAir S. This vehicle comes with a 0.9 litre petrol engine and does come with the manual transmission. This particular model comes finished in this gorgeous looking grey colourway and comes with around 12,763 miles on the clock. Taking a look into the boot now, although this is a very compact car, we can see that there is enough room for a small suitcase and enough room for your weekly shopping. The rear seats are also fully foldable. At the rear of the vehicle now, we can see the dark tinted rear privacy glass there, along with the distinctive Fiat 500 tail lights. And as we move down, we can see the rear spoiler, which does come as part of the sports kit, along with the rear exhaust tailpipe. This particular model sits on the stunning 15-inch alloy wheels finished in satin graphite, really complementing the overall aesthetic of the vehicle. At the front now, we do have the oval shaped headlights. These do come with the chrome bezels. We also have the stylish looking chrome detailing there alongside the Fiat badge. And as we move out, we can take a look at the sporty looking front bumper that gives this car a bit more of an aggressive look. Moving inside the vehicle now, we do have the half leather, half cloth seats at the rear. These do come equipped with ISOFIX points. And into the front now, we can see the really clean dashboard on display with the 500 badging there. We also have the front seats, which do come with the contrast cream bolsters. These do provide for an incredibly comfortable journey for both driver and passenger. Also featuring on this vehicle is the multifunctional steering wheel, alongside these gorgeous looking analog dials there. Here we can take a look at the touchscreen multimedia display, which gives access to features such as the radio. You can also connect your Bluetooth device to play your favourite songs through the car's sound system. You can also use the Bluetooth to make and receive calls hands-free. As we move down now, we can see the car's really simple to use climate control system there, along with the eco button, which makes driving that bit more economical. We do also have the electronic window switches that we can see there. The car also features the stylishly finished gear shifter and handbrake, along with some additional cup holders there.
For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, call us on 01270 864 430 or inquire online now.